Hi, I am Krishna Sahu, Head Finance and Services in Homi Bhabha Center for Science Education. See, Homi Bhabha Science Center is established for the research in science education, and it is a part of Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, which is an autonomous organization under Department of Atomic Energy, Government of India. And I am happy to see Indus installing the solar power plant, and they have been very professional in their approach and the safety measures they have taken, the various approach of workmanship and the day-to-day feedback they used to give during the work and during the installation of the plant was exceptional. Plant has been installed recently, but there is a great saving of 2 lakhs for just the capacity of the plant of 177 kilowatt, which is exceptional, and I'm hoping saving a lot of government money. As the sun shines more, we'll be having a lot more savings. Thank you.